Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize packing for study abroad with REI, full guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing the duration and location of your study abroad program. Research the climate and activities in your destination. Create a packing list based on your research. Prioritize essential items like clothing, school supplies, and personal items. Consider packing versatile clothing that can be layered. Choose neutral colors that mix and match easily. Select lightweight, wrinkle-resistant fabrics. Pack comfortable shoes suitable for walking and outdoor activities. Include a pair of formal shoes for presentations or networking events. Utilize packing cubes to organize your clothing and maximize space. Roll your clothes instead of folding to save space and reduce wrinkles. Consider a travel laundry bag for dirty clothes. Include a small, portable laundry detergent for quick washes. Pack essential electronics like a laptop, phone, and chargers. Consider a travel adapter that suits your destination. Bring a power bank to keep your devices charged on the go. Include necessary academic materials like textbooks or notes. Use a tablet or e-reader as a lighter alternative to physical books. Bring a small first aid kit for minor health. Opt for travel-sized toiletries to save space. Remember to pack a refillable water bottle to stay hydrated. Consider a small backpack or day pack for daily excursions. Include a lightweight travel umbrella for unexpected weather. Leave space in your luggage for souvenirs and additional items. Before packing, double-check baggage restrictions of your airline. Label your luggage with your contact information. Confirm that you have all necessary documents, including your passport and visa. Consider purchasing travel insurance for added peace of mind. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.